Imagine walking outside with no foundation, no concealer, no chemical treatments, and none of those luxury serums that promise overnight miracles. Yet your skin looks so smooth and radiant that people stop you and ask, "What foundation are you wearing?" And when you tell them you're not wearing anything at all, their jaws drop. That's the magic of glass skin, a poreless, radiant, naturally flawless complexion that turns heads without a single drop of makeup. And that is exactly what you stand to gain from this video, only if you can carefully watch this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part, and most importantly, take notes. Achieving glass skin often feels mysterious or out of reach, mostly because people follow the right steps in the wrong sequence. When hydration is layered incorrectly or the barrier is stressed without realizing it, the glow fades as quickly as it appears. Today, that ends. This video reveals 10 Korean-inspired DIY secrets that rely on simple principles, easy ingredients, and smart methods you can start using immediately. No complicated routines, no overwhelming product lists, just a clear system built for real results. This is Infinite Infotainment, where natural beauty meets practical science. And at the end of this video, you'll also get a 7-day bonus routine that ties everything together for faster transformation. Before we begin, it's important to understand what true glass skin means. It's not about perfection or chasing a poreless face. Glass skin describes a level of hydration where the surface appears smooth, supple, and naturally reflective. It comes from moisture that sits beneath the surface instead of evaporating. Some improvements like plumpness, softness, and a fresh glow can appear almost instantly when the skin receives water-based layers in the right order. Longer-term consistency improves texture even more, but noticeable change starts as soon as the products begin working with your skin instead of against it. The first secret is gentle double cleansing. Glass skin requires a clean foundation that hasn't been stripped raw. Begin with a simple oil cleanse using jojoba, sunflower, or any gentle plant oil. Massaging an oil cleanser helps dissolve sunscreen, makeup, and the mixture of environmental buildup that collects during the day. When water is added, the oil turns milky and lifts away without taking your natural moisture with it. After rinsing, follow with a mild, low pH water-based cleanser. This second step removes the remaining residue while keeping the skin calm and balanced. The goal isn't to make your skin feel squeaky, it's to make it feel fresh, hydrated, and ready for layers. The second secret focuses on temperature and technique. Hot water causes more damage than people realize. It weakens the moisture barrier, increases redness, and disrupts the glow you're trying to create. Lukewarm water maintains hydration while keeping the skin relaxed. After cleansing, drying the face by pressing a soft towel gently into the skin rather than rubbing protects the barrier and prevents micro-irritation. This small adjustment changes how evenly hydration absorbs and contributes to that soft, glossy finish. The third secret is a Korean classic, rice water toner. Rice water contains amino acids, antioxidants, and gentle brightening compounds that help soften the appearance of the skin and add lightweight hydration. Making it is simple. Rinse uncooked rice briefly, then soak it in fresh water for around 20 to 30 minutes. After shaking and straining, store the liquid in the refrigerator. Because rice water is fresh and natural, it has a short shelf life, so always check it before using. Apply it with your hands, pressing it gently into the skin. This method delivers nutrients without dragging or wasting product, and sets the stage for deeper hydration. The fourth secret is the technique that made the glass skin trend famous, the 7-skin method. This involves applying several thin layers of a hydrating toner or essence. You don't need 7 layers. 3 to 5 is ideal for beginners. Place a small amount into your palms, press it into the skin until it feels slightly tacky, and repeat. Each layer sinks deeper, creating a plump, cushiony texture and allowing light to bounce softly across the surface.
This method alone can visibly transform dull skin, reducing fine dehydration lines and making the face appear fresher and smoother almost immediately. The fifth secret is a simple DIY soothing mask made with honey and cooled green tea. When mixed together, these ingredients calm irritation, soften the skin, and create gentle temporary plumpness. The antioxidants in green tea help with redness, while the humectant properties of honey pull in moisture. Apply it for about 10 to 15 minutes whenever you need quick hydration. Avoid it if you're allergic to honey, and limit use to 2 to 3 times a week so the skin isn't overwhelmed. The sixth secret introduces an essence-style aloe layer. Pure, fragrance-free aloe gel provides a lightweight hydration boost without heaviness. A small amount pressed gently over the previous layers adds smoothness and soothes the skin. Aloe naturally contains polysaccharides that support moisture retention. Just ensure the product is free from alcohol or artificial fragrance, as those ingredients can undo the benefits.
The seventh secret is optional but highly effective: the serum sandwich. Many people apply serums like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid directly on bare skin, which can sometimes lead to uneven absorption or temporary irritation. Layering the serum between 2 hydrating steps creates a cushion that helps it spread evenly. The order becomes toner, then serum, then a light layer of toner again. This helps the skin take in the active ingredient without dryness or patchiness. Strong acids or retinoids should be avoided in this routine, since the goal is an instant glow rather than long-term exfoliation. The eighth secret is learning how to seal your hydration with the right moisturizer. Gel cream formulas work wonderfully for oily or combination skin, while richer creams fit naturally dry skin types. The key is using just enough to lock in moisture without smothering the skin. Warming a small amount between the hands before applying makes it spread more evenly. For an added glassy highlight, a tiny drop of squalene or another non-comedogenic oil can be tapped onto the high points of the face. This brings out a reflective shine without clogging pores or making the face greasy. The ninth secret is one of the most important steps for daytime routines: sunscreen. Glass skin includes clarity, even tone, and smooth texture, which cannot be maintained without protection from UV damage. A dewy, gel-based sunscreen is ideal because it complements the hydrating layers beneath it. Apply a generous amount and remember that sunscreen should never be made at home. Only tested formulas offer proper protection. Reapply as needed throughout the day, especially if you spend time outdoors. The 10th secret is the signature Korean technique that ties every step together: patting instead of rubbing. This simple switch improves absorption, prevents irritation, and keeps the barrier intact. Using soft tapping motions across the face encourages product penetration while keeping the skin calm. Pairing this with gentle upward and outward strokes supports lymphatic flow, which reduces puffiness and helps the skin maintain an even, hydrated appearance. To make these 10 secrets easy to follow, the bonus 7-day routine brings everything into a simple structure. In the morning, cleanse gently and follow with your rice water toner. Apply 2 or 3 layers of hydrating toner, add your aloe layer, apply your moisturizer, and finish with sunscreen for a soft, radiant daytime glow. At night, double cleanse using the oil and water-based method, apply your hydrating toner, and use the honey and green tea mask 2 or 3 times during the week. Follow with your essence or serum sandwich technique and seal everything with your moisturizer. If you enjoy a glossy finish, apply a tiny amount of squalene to the high points before bed. Taking a picture on the first day and another on the 7th day under the same lighting helps you see your progress clearly. Most people notice softer texture, steadier hydration, and better light reflection within a week. As we wrap up, remember that every skin type responds differently. Patch test any new ingredient, adjust the frequency of each step based on how your skin feels, and stop anything that causes irritation. I'd love to hear which of these glass skin secrets you're excited to try first. Share your skin type in the comments so the routine can be customized for you. If this guide helped you, share it with someone who wants glowing skin without spending a fortune. Be sure to like the video and subscribe so you never miss another natural beauty tutorial here on Infinite Infotainment. And if you're ready to keep your glow journey going, explore our Korean Morning Water Challenge or our nighttime routine for dark spots and uneven tone. Your transformation continues from there.